Why are there not more people talking about FitGirl installer errors? Seriously, it's like every gamer's rite of passage. Let's finally put those annoying ISDone.dll and Unarc.dll messages to rest. First, if your PC has 8 GB RAM or less, check the limit installer to 2 GB of RAM usage box during setup. Yeah, the install will crawl, but it's way less likely to crash. Next, your antivirus or Windows Defender loves to act like a game cop. Temporarily turn them off, or better yet, add an exclusion for your repack and install folders. Don't forget to re-enable protection after. Seeing archive corrupted errors? Use the included Quick SFV tool to check your files. If something's broken, force a recheck in your torrent client so you only re-download what's needed. Still stuck? Try bumping up your virtual memory. Set it to about 1.5 to 3 times your RAM in system settings. And here's the friendly reminder. Run setup as admin, restart your PC, use a simple folder path, and close background apps. Sometimes safe mode is the hero we never expected. Game on, error-free.